What's up, guys, and welcome back. So today we have a little bit of, I guess, a bonus video for you guys. So this right here is a buddy of mine. His name is Scrappy. This is his car. We're going to be painting it today. We are going to be painting it the factory, I guess you could say, blue metallic green or whatever. I honestly don't know the exact name for it. I'll go ahead and post it right here. But this is the color of the car it's supposed to be. A beautiful, beautiful color, in my opinion. So we're going to go ahead and take this nasty, raggedy paint job that we have, that somebody's actually repainted this car. In my opinion, I think it's been repainted probably 2 or 3 different times. Because after we sanded it down, there was like black primer. And then when you sand it down again, like through the black primer, there's paint again. And then when you keep going, it turned into like this kind of shiny. As you can see, I still have to sand down a little bit in here. But yeah, I mean, there was like 3 or 4 different layers of paint on this car, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and clean this thing up for him, make it look all beautiful. And I figured I'd go ahead and take you guys through the process that I go through to paint cars. I've painted a few. I'm not really a professional painter to say. I kind of do my best. I'm definitely more of a mechanic and engine builder. That's what I have always done. But I'd like to kind of change up my, I guess, expertise and add a little bit more to my list. And painting is something that I've been taking on and doing here and there. So I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys just a little thing that I do. So to start with, we ended up getting a 12 by 20 or 13 by 20, I can't remember off the top of my head, steel frame instead of buying one of those inflatable paint booths. I've used them in the past and they kind of suck and they get extremely hot, especially out here. So I get this right here, and then what I do is I go to Home Depot and I grab myself this right here, which is just basically plastic, painter's plastic. The reason I use this is because it doesn't have static, I guess, when like you're rubbing against the plastic, so it doesn't have any interference when you're painting the actual car. This is just what I use. I obviously use this right here to clean up all my stuff, wipe down the car. And then I got this right here from Amazon, as well as my full respirator, because I like to protect my eyes as well as my lungs, obviously, when I'm going to be painting a car. Obviously, we have our paint gun here. I got from Amazon as well. I love Amazon, if you guys haven't noticed. And then I have this paint suit. I have large because, well, I definitely have a dad bod. But this here is what we're going to be using to go ahead and paint the car. Alright guys, so as you can tell, we just jumped right into it. We went ahead and started covering the engine bay and the windshield with this plastic. Unfortunately, it started getting ridiculously windy, and we ended up having to finish the job the following day. Alright guys, check it out. So we have our booth up. We have our wheels taped off. We have the underbody where the side skirts kind of go are taped off. Everything is looking good. We're going to go ahead and put on that suit and get to work. Start spraying this thing, making it look pretty. So here we go. Alright guys, check this out. Let me know what you guys think down below. Post a comment. I'm really curious to know what you guys think of this. I absolutely love this paint job. I love the color. I'm actually kind of proud of myself. If I don't say so myself, I think I'm a pretty good painter. But thank you guys so much for chiming in to one of my bonus videos. I appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. We'll see you in the next one.